Hey, if you've ever tried to grow an email list and felt like you're just shouting into the void, or worse, burning money on ads, this video is going to change how you think about lead generation. Today, we're talking about how to get email subscribers from Reddit without spamming, without getting banned, and without looking like that marketer everyone ignores. Now, quick reality check. Most people completely fail on Reddit. They post once, drop a link, get zero traction, or their post gets removed, and they give up. But the truth is, Reddit can be one of the most powerful platforms for building a highly targeted email list, if you do it the right way. And yes, I'll also show you how tools like Reddify AI can help, but only if you use them smartly. Let's break it down. First, you need to understand how Reddit actually works. Reddit isn't like Instagram or Facebook. People are not there to be sold to. They're there for real conversations, honest opinions, and useful insights. If your content feels like marketing, you're done, instantly. So step 1 is simple. Stop trying to sell. Start trying to help. Instead of posting, "Check out my free guide," you want to create posts that genuinely solve a problem. Think about your niche. What are people struggling with? What questions keep coming up? For example, instead of saying, "Download my email marketing checklist," you could write a post like, "I tried 5 ways to grow my email list. Here's what actually worked." That's curiosity-driven, experience-based, and valuable. Now, here's where it gets interesting. When your post starts getting engagement, comments, upvotes, people asking questions, that's your opportunity. Not to drop a link everywhere, but to start conversations. Reply to comments, be helpful, add more insights, and when it feels natural, you can mention something like, "Hey, I actually put together a free checklist. Happy to share if you want it." That's how you turn engagement into email subscribers without being spammy. Now, let's talk about scaling this process, because doing everything manually can take time. This is where tools like Reddify AI come in. Used properly, tools like this can help you analyze high-performing posts in your niche, understand what kind of content works, and generate ideas or drafts based on proven structures. That alone can save you hours of guesswork. You can also schedule posts consistently, which is important because success on Reddit often comes from testing different angles and showing up regularly. But, and this is important, you should never rely 100% on automation. Don't just copy, paste, and disappear. Reddit rewards authenticity. Always review, tweak, and make sure your content sounds human and relevant. And when it comes to messaging or follow-ups, keep it personal. If someone shows interest, respond like a real person, not a bot. That's what builds trust, and trust is what gets people to join your email list. Another key tip: choose the right communities. Not all subreddits allow promotion, and some are very strict. Look for communities where people are actively asking questions related to your niche. That's where your content will perform best. Also, timing matters. Posting when your target audience is active can make a huge difference in visibility and engagement. So, to sum it up, create genuinely helpful content, engage in real conversations, offer your lead magnet naturally, and use tools like Reddify AI to support your workflow, not replace your effort. If you do this consistently, you can build an email list full of people who actually care about what you offer, and you won't have to spend a single dollar on ads. And honestly, that's the goal. Not just more subscribers, but better subscribers. All right, that's it from me today. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more strategies like this, and let me know in the comments if you've ever tried Reddit for lead generation. I'll see you in the next one.